Hello Aviator band subscribers. So just wanted to tell you that the reason I haven't been uploading videos lately, it's because my plane has been in service, and namely the alternator had to be replaced as well as the some cowling work, and so now I'm just waiting for the small issues, the small squawks. We took the advantage, I'm taking advantage of my co-pilot, and she is cleaning my beauty, our beauty.
Next week, no more cleaning.
No more cleaning. Even if I give you a raise?
No raise.
No way. I'll raise your chair up 1 foot, 2 feet.
Sure.
Money is height is no object. Okay.
What about honey?
Money? Wait a second. It's hot. Must be like 88 degrees. Oh, 90, close to 90. Anyway, so the work is done. Just waiting now for the paperwork. No, the work, not the cleaning, but the work. It's also work, yeah. That's for sure. And so I'm just waiting for the paperwork. So on the plane, so I can put it in my logbook. Like I said, my honey is cleaning and waxing the plane in the meantime. I won't be flying today because I'd like to have all the paperwork done before I take off. And obviously I'm going to do a good run-up just to make sure, because I learned my lesson last year that it's really important to do a good walk around and not miss one item on the checklist. It's important. So anyway, I hope that this Monday, today is Friday, that this Monday we will fly. We'll take a short flight probably to Vero Beach airport. There's a nice restaurant there, and yeah, and after that we'll go some longer distances, maybe to Naples on the other side of Florida or north. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. Anyway, I'll keep you posted, and if you like this video and it's your first time, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.